Hi there, students. A procession. Okay, a procession is a group of people, perhaps with cars and other things, moving along in an orderly fashion, in a solemn way. It's like a train of people advancing in order. It's an organized body of people walking in a formal ceremonial manner. And you may have a procession to advertise something or to signal a change in government. You could have a procession to show your group's power. You could have a procession to show solidarity for a cause, to mark the beginning or the end of an event like a wedding or a funeral, or a religious procession. At the moment it's Easter and there are all sorts of weird and wonderful processions round here. Processions have been part of ceremonies since ancient times, and they're practiced in some form in all cultures. But very often there's a carriage or a car, and there's music or singing or marching band, and there are normally banners with signs that tell people what it's about. And yes, this is almost a natural form of public celebration. Religious and triumphal processions. Yeah, a triumphal procession into Rome when you've won a war, for example. So a procession, a line of people and vehicles that move along slowly as part of a ceremony. A funeral procession, a torchlight procession. The procession made its way down the hill. Groups of unemployed people from all over the country marched in procession to the capital. So it's a procession, it's a group of people. And this is something formal. And it has a structured order with music and banners and various different elements. Carnival is a procession of different groups of people. It's a public parade, a demonstration. And this happens in many religious faiths. And the order very often reflects where you are in the hierarchy. And there are banners and costumes and special lighting and all sorts of things that go with your procession. The funeral procession made its way down the street. Da, 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 da. The wedding procession entered the church to the sound of music. The religious procession celebrated an important annual festival. The protesters formed a peaceful procession. The parade featured a procession of colourful floats. The solemn procession of soldiers honoured the fallen heroes. The religious procession included chanting and prayers. The annual carnival procession attracted thousands of spectators. The procession of athletes entered the stadium during the opening ceremony. The traditional procession showcased the cultural heritage of the region. The bride and groom led the wedding procession with joy on their faces. The annual religious procession attracts pilgrims from all over the world. The procession moves solemnly through the cemetery, honouring the deceased. So it's like a parade, a cavalcade, a cortege, a column of people walking. Let's see, procession. This comes from Latin, professio, professus, proceed, procedere, to go forward, to move forward. So processions, there have been processions ever since perhaps the beginnings of civilization. So a procession, a line of people, animals, vehicles moving in orderly procession, in an orderly line. A parade, a march, a column, a seemingly endless procession of corruption cases, a sequence, one after another. So a chain. To walk in procession. The procession moves slowly through the streets. Okay, so a procession. Formality, 5 informality, use anywhere. High frequency. So procession. Bye for now.